Hello everybody! I've installed USB-C charging port on my phat DS and today I will show you how it's done. So this is my prototype port. It turned out quite ugly, but I will work on another one and hopefully it'll look more aesthetic. My idea is to use these sticking out mounting legs and attach this USB-C to the legs of the original port, just on the other side of the PCB. Lucky me, the spacing is almost perfect, and since mount points are grounded, the only other thing I will have to solder to the motherboard is voltage line. So what I need to do is to solder in a resistor 5.1 kilo ohm from the legs in the middle to the ground, and then I will have to solder these pins to the motherboard. Then once I have everything soldered, I will grind a hole here and then put it all together. So let me first check to which pin goes to which line. Okay, so the outer ones are ground. Then I think the next one will be the power line, and this should be power line from this side. Yeah, B5, and another middle one will be A5, which is here. Okay, everything's clear. Since now I'm sure about this port's pinout, then I will follow this diagram. Yeah, I think the only pin from here I need to solder to motherboard is this one, and then somehow around I will connect the grounds to the mounting points and the power lines here. So this pin will go here and this pin will be connected with this one, and then the resistor that I will put here will be connected to the ground. So let's see. Okay, a little bit shadow. And here we go. And it blinked. Okay, so it works. Now I need to drill a hole for this port. So I have already put the marks on the shell. Okay, this port is very tight fit, and in fact it touches the, what is called, I don't know, the screen's metal frame. So I've put some Kapton tape to insulate that. So I've made this bit to cover this hole between ports. So let's see if that still fits after painting. Okay. Yeah, looks okay. So let me present you that this USB-C port is working. So with original port, we will see it's charging. Yeah, this orange LED is indicating that the charging is happening. So now I will remove this plug and use my Lenovo ThinkPad charger. And it's still charging. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Bye.